The car seat should be installed tightly with either the lower anchor attachment system or the vehicle seat belt. Make certain that the seat belt is locked by slowly and gently pulling all the webbing out of the retractor. As it spools back in, the seat belt should be in locking mode. Test for tightness by doing the 1-inch test. Grasp the car seat firmly near the belt path. Push and pull on the car seat. If the car seat moves more than 1 inch, the installation is too loose. Press firmly down on the car seat while removing all slack from the seat belt. Repeat the 1-inch test by pulling or pushing the car seat at the belt path using moderate force. A tight installation should move less than 1 inch in any direction. Forward-facing car seats should always be installed with the tether. The tether can be found at the top of the car seat. It should route behind the vehicle seat, either on the seat back or on the shelf behind the head restraint. Follow car seat and vehicle manufacturer instructions for routing. Attach the tether hook and tighten. When the lower anchor attachment system or seatbelt installation is loose, it allows the car seat to move more during a crash. Depending on how much space is available in the vehicle, this can increase the risk of head contact against the front row seat. This can cause head and neck injuries. A loose installation also puts additional stress on the torso and neck because the car seat will move freely until the seatbelt suddenly engages, stopping the movement with a sudden jerk. A correctly tight installation will limit the motion of the child more gently and gradually. This lowers the risk of head contact and reduces the risk of head, neck, and torso injuries.